Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Jasmy video update for Monday 21 of March. And what's going on with Jasmy? Alright, so number one thing right off the bat is that Jasmy, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, is absolutely overextended. Okay, we took off and we actually completely took off. Okay, we start from here, went down, boom, and look at that high huge gains right there. Okay, even when I started making video down here that I'm buying at this place 124, this is where I was buying right now. But anyway, that is like nearly 255 254% rise to the upside. Okay, now for those who are looking for the entries, those who want to actually trade Jasmy as well, you might want to consider some retracement actually, but I do see a little bit of patterns here forming up for Jasmy, and we're going to talk about all the possible scenarios that is going on with the coin. Okay, and before that, once again, if you want to take a trading course and you want to polish out your technical analysis to the next level, do check out this course. Okay, tons and tons of content, or just join the Discord. I do have a channel for Jasmy, by the way, and this is absolutely free of cost. Okay, just to share general knowledge. Now, yesterday I talked about a potential pennant, and I said four things can happen in this scenario, and that is you can actually, make fail the pennant and not go to the upside at all. So for that one, all you had to look at the pennant is you break out of it and you continue. But we didn't do anything like that, and you actually dropped to the downside, and this actually turned into some sort of a descending triangle, in my opinion. Do you see that? A little bit of a descending triangle right there, and this is your neckline which you're failing. So I'm going to tell you the technical target of this descending triangle, which is going to be from the top here to the bottom, and this is going to take you nearly to 0.0237. Actually, unfortunately, this is what I do look on the at the chart. Now that's going to be a retracement to the downside. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're about to enter the bear market or anything. I don't think so. I don't think anything is like that. But once again, there was a guy on the Discord who said that it potentially even looks like a falling wedge. Let me actually confirm this one. Is it a falling wedge or not? Okay, so um, it's not a falling wedge. It's actually a channel being made right now. Yeah, this is a channel basically. Okay, so I do think Jasmy is about to come into this channel. So I'm gonna leave the channel, and guys, you can see that it came like this, boom, 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 boom. It could continue like that, go to 249, go up to 285, and then come here, hold this level, and then break to the upside and continue. Because do we have the support at the 23? That's the question. You have like some sort of a descending triangle that you made. This was a descending triangle there. Now let's look at if you have any supports at the downside. I just want to bring the 55 EMA, and right now let's dive into the daily time frame, and I do want to see what's up and what's going on in the daily time frame as well. So here we are, and right now I don't see any support on the daily. Let's try the weekly. Yeah, there's nothing on the weekly as well, but the weekly closing is quite good. Okay, it's not like that much bearish. You do have room to actually continue one day and take out 487, because one thing is confirmed is that you have that bullish ladder bottom that I was talking about in the previous video for a long time. Let's go to Google again. So ladder bottom candlestick pattern. So we've already made it. We've already actually been successful to create one, and that's really good for Jasmy. It's something very similar to this that you see on Jasmy. Now, if I show you a little bit of a cheat sheet here, you can see that 1, 2, 3 candlesticks were actually bearish. So you're gonna have like maybe 3 weeks of a boring journey with Jasmy, not do anything at all, or 4 weeks, maybe a whole month of boring sideways movement, and people get exhausted thinking that Jasmy is going for the bear market. And then during the 5th week, you start to pull to the upside. Now look, exactly that's the scenario that could happen. Just pull to the downside here a little bit, go to the 237, and then you find support and go up, because why not? And that's healthy. That's healthy. When you start in an uptrend, you want to go up, come down. You want to go up and come down, because if you just keep pushing and dumping, pumping to the upside, you're gonna get huge dumps as well to the downside. So in order for us to maintain a very healthy sort of movement, you must be coming a little bit down and then moving up, then coming down. That's just a waveform of moving for Jasmy. I do want to see if there's any particular trend line, so let me actually draw this for you. Okay, so this, guys, could be a nice good trend line that is about to form. So what you do is you go up here, came down, and then you go up there, and then you actually come down like this. You fall down, you fall down, and you fall down to the support, touch the support, take an entry right there. You ride all the things to the upside over there. Do you see that? Because you've been overextended. In my opinion, you do have that descending triangle that is looking to go down to this particular price target there. Take like 2 weeks of maybe cooling off. Who knows? I'm not sure it's gonna be 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but anyways, how much time it takes doesn't matter. And if even if you don't come down here, if you don't come down here, another scenario is that, first of all, on the 4 hour time frame, you want to break this channel that is forming up, this resistance that is forming up, if you want to consider us going to the upside. And one more thing I'm even noticing is that potentially you're putting in a bear flag. Do you see this? This is some sort of a bear flag, and you have 3 black rows right there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this impulsive move from there to there, and when you're gonna break out of this bear flag, this is gonna, where is it taking you? Again, it's taking you to that blue line. So guys, that blue line has significance. I do think Jasmy is looking to retrace to the downside. It's been overextended, coming down, and that's it. That's where you're gonna actually retrace. Once you retrace here, find support there, then make some reversal candlesticks on the weekly, on the daily as well. Then I'm going to tell you that from here, Jasmy potentially is going to reverse, and you must break this huge resistance right now that we have, because that's where you have one touch, second touch, third touch right there, fourth touch right here. So to me, guys, more power to the downside a little bit. And it's going to be a little bit disturbing if you entered very early when it was pumping, because I've been making Jasmy videos when it was down here. This is where I said buy. I'm buying here. So after that, right now, this was like take profit taking situation. Okay, profit taking situation. But on the long run, short term bearish, high time frame bullish, because nonetheless, on a higher time frame, you have a reversal that has been confirmed, and the only way to invalidate this reversal is when the day you come down here and you take 0.0108. That's when you have invalidated the ladder bottom candlestick. Otherwise, this is in play and we're still bullish, and that's the good thing about Jasmy at this point of time. And if you like the analysis that I'm doing, if you think that it's going to be successful, I do have technical analysis course for you. Do check it out, and there's tons and tons of things to learn, or join the Discord once again. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.